Ring Alarm integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to control your home security system using simple voice commands. To arm your Ring Alarm system, simply say, "Alexa, arm Ring." Alexa will confirm the arming status and specify whether it's set to home or away mode. To check if your Ring alarm is currently armed, ask Alexa, "Is Ring armed?" and Alexa will tell you the current status. Disarming requires additional security. Say, "Alexa, disarm Ring," and then provide your 4-digit passcode when prompted. This ensures only authorized users can disarm your security system. To use these voice commands, you need to enable the Ring Alexa skill in your Alexa app and link your Ring account to your Amazon account. Note that arming and disarming Ring Alarm with Alexa may require a Ring Home subscription for full functionality. When Ring and Alexa integration isn't working properly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve common issues. If announcements stop working, the most effective solution is to unpair and repair your Ring devices with Alexa. This refreshes the connection between the two systems. Make sure your Echo devices are properly selected in the announcement services within the Alexa app. This ensures Ring notifications can reach your speakers. For persistent problems, try disabling and re-enabling the Ring skill in the Alexa app and ensure your Alexa app is updated to the latest version. Now let's explore advanced integration features that can enhance your smart home automation experience. Alexa routines allow you to automate your Ring alarm system. You can create custom routines that automatically arm or disarm your system based on time, location, or other triggers. You can also create location-based routines. For example, automatically arm your Ring system when you leave home, or disarm it when you arrive. Ring doorbell cameras offer advanced two-way audio features when integrated with Alexa, allowing seamless communication with visitors. When someone rings your doorbell, Alexa can automatically announce the visitor and allow you to communicate through any Echo device in your home. This integration allows you to screen visitors, give delivery instructions, or communicate with family members, all without needing to physically go to the door. For managing multiple smart home devices, consider the Echo Hub, which provides centralized control and enhanced device management capabilities. The Echo Hub serves as a central command center for your smart home, supporting multiple protocols and providing visual device management. The Echo Hub simplifies managing your Ring devices alongside other smart home equipment, providing a unified interface for monitoring and control.